What if you can train your browser to think, click, and type like a human 10 times faster, but never get tired? In this video, I'm going to show you how I use Nanobrowser.ai with Gemini Pro to automate tasks that would normally take me hours. And these are tasks that run in the background while I'm asleep. Let me show you exactly how this works with a live demonstration. So I'm inside of Twitter. You can see that I've got a Nanobrowser window open, and I've just put in a quick prompt here to say, go to X Twitter and write a quick post about Nanobrowser AI's pros and cons and why someone who loves AI should use it. Finish off the post by saying, Nanobrowser took control of my browser and wrote this post. So I'm gonna run send, and then it's gonna basically go through all the automation. It's gonna use its AI modeling and find Twitter. It's gonna find the part of Twitter where you actually create a post, and it's gonna then create the post as you can see now. So let's just wait a couple of minutes and we'll see what the post looks like. So here you go, here's the post. Nanobrowser AI. Pros: automates browser tasks, save time, efficient for repetitive actions. Cons: requires initial setup, learning curve for complex tasks. Why AI lovers should use it. It's an AI that controls your browser, enabling advanced automation and interaction with web content, truly bringing AI to life in your daily browsing. And then there's obviously given a big window here where they can click onto Nano AI and get more information about it. The first thing you want to do is head over to the Chrome Web Store and download Nanobrowser. It is actually a Chrome extension, and the best thing about this is it's completely free. So download that and install it into your browser. Once the extension has been installed, you want to head over to Google AI Studio and you want to get an API key for Gemini Pro. So log in, grab the API key where it says create API key. And then what you want to do is head over to the settings inside of Nanobrowser, and where it says models, you want to add a new provider. So you're going to select Gemini for this. I've already got it selected, but you'll see Gemini in the list here. Paste your AI API key here, and you've got two models that you can access. So you've got 2.5 Flash and 2.5 Pro. For my testing and everything that I've done, I found that Flash is the better model for this particular task because it's just much faster. And then you want to select models for each of the tasks inside of Nanobrowser. So you've got Planner, you've got Navigator, Validator, and Speech-to-Text modeling. So this is for the more complicated advanced tasks that you can do with Nanobrowser. And as you can see, for all of these, I've just chosen 2.5 Flash, and that's all you're going to need. So use cases in a real world environment can be pretty much anything you want it to be, right? So think of the most kind of mundane, boring tasks that you do day in, day out. It can be between multiple tabs as well. So think about Airtable, think about Google Sheets or like Excel windows, anything where you copy and paste, anything that can be automated in terms of online invoicing, both for yourself or for an agency or for your client. So literally the world is your oyster when it comes to automating your browser. And the last thing I'll say before I sign off is that I've used many AI automation browser tools, and this is the only one that does probably the best job that I've seen, and also is the only one that's free. So if you are looking for a browser automation tool, Nanobrowser is definitely the one that you want to check out. If you love this video, consider signing up to the private AI community. Inside we have founders, we've got people who run agencies like myself, and we have people who don't know much about AI and they want to know more about it, but also how they could use AI to create a side hustle. So you can see here, this is the discussion section, and there's a bunch of content in here, both from myself and other members. We also have a classroom. So inside here, there's a bunch of video content, there's PDFs, there's Google Sheets, and there's a course on how to launch your agency in 16 days, if that's what you want to do. So I started my AI journey by running an AI agency, and I started that from zero, and it took me 30 days to find my first client and to build everything out. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that in 16 days because I've got lots of shortcuts. And also you've got an AI automations and blueprint section. So inside here, you're going to see a bunch of automations that you can upload into no-code platforms like N8N or Make.com. So for this one, for example, this is one of my most popular videos on the YouTube channel, and this will show you how you can build a faceless AI video generator. It's got the tutorial here, it's got all the supporting documentation that you need, and it's got the blueprint. So you just upload this into N8N and you're good to go. So the link is in the description. Thanks for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up if you loved it. Subscribe to the channel, turn your notifications on, and I'll see you when the next video drops. Have a great day.